Youthful Elite Society atum kachapatir pipon along Suncof Hub for Empowerment of Women under Beti Bachao Beti Padhao pen cherap dunsi Diphu Inter School Art Competition lapen awareness amai deng ponlo. Matijong chikloni phai kriplier ni ada por phai ke por pen Diphu Golf Girls High Secondary School along Youthful Elite Society amai phu Rangsina Tokbi chunbang Birton Ingjai lapen Beti Bachao Beti Padhao Project Officer Romali Teronpi atum pen Japonsi Diphu Inter School Art Competition lapen awareness amai Diphu Golf Girls High Secondary School along Aliralon pen Sayamu Pangcheng Ponsi Art Competition along Kadukawe School Inkore Hini pen Bang Paruhini se Lo Charlie Ausomaratum Angbong pen Junior Category Class 1 to Class 5 lapen Senior Category Class 6 to Class 10 pedoponlo. La solong de bentimung atum ingkrung ingsaidun pen arjan kihi kemenai nai atum aphamnong isitami pajirpo.
Kalanglo lake adun tuan lo nilitum collaboration pen nilitum lason event kibipon ke aprangsi tame nilitum plantation tame nilitum isi campaign dar pangching pondo biti bachao biti padhao long tame thengti prang ke e arusu so amendment thengti prang ke e tame nilitum campaign do bomlo
la yes organization pen ke claim pona sai ge mippi ga sai lo athema pir thelong pache tonusi athema non environment hinu bomlo pir thelong la si la sona por hut pache ton khela ke nili jasmine hin ben ki rule olang tu pa
So art competition ni tum ki bi ke art competition det kali la awareness program lo atema non ni tum kai non che theklong bom lo e la ipilong ri ba ipirbi aphan kaching hon ni tum la bangke jum hek pasi theklam long lo
ke mulke chanbom lo, but our resources is not growing, it's depleting at the same time, right? So it's a very good opportunity, and as art is a form of expression, so la osmardam da express long lo pod. So let this be not only just a mere competition, but at the same time some key takeaway as a reminder.
Youth Festival में पंचेंग पन लो pen tum host kitchen hota ni tum music art live promote along with cultural touch kemaile tum jutang jubat dim pen je पंचेंग pon host hota nasi non tum mongja da 7-6 years old lo so art ahin ni tum ki papang kapodi
News report Karbing Long Live.